Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting the essentials in place so you can build immediately. Install NET SDK 7 or newer and Visual Studio or VS Code with the C# extension, then create a new ASB. NET Core web app using MVC or Razor Pages. Once done, run the project and open program. CS and app settings. JSON to see app wiring and configuration. Make sure to scaffold one simple controller and view, so you have an end-to-end request flow to experiment with right away. Now you expand the app by modeling data and wiring services. This is the hands-on middleware structure matters. Create your domain models and a DB context, then add EF core migrations so the database evolves predictably. Next, implement controllers or minimal APIs and build views or Razor components while registering services via dependency injection. Also add middleware for routing, authentication, logging, and error handling so requests flow correctly. As you code, run tests and small feature commits to validate each change progressively. To finish, prepare your app for production and deployment while validating stability. Set environment-specific app settings and secure connection strings, then publish to Azure, Oz, or a Docker container and create a CI/CD pipeline to automate builds and tests. Run smoke tests and monitor logs after deployment. If something breaks, enable detailed logging and diagnostics, verify EF migrations applied correctly, and clear browser cache or cookies. These quick checks resolve most deployment and runtime issues, so you can iterate and roll out updates confidently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.